Welcome everybody to TechPress. In this tutorial, we're going to be diving into creating a season how to make a stunning poster using Canva 2023. So whether you're prompting an event, advertising a product, or just expressing your creativity, Canva makes it easier and fun to design great looking posters. So let's walk through these steps together. Let's begin setting up your Canva project. First of all, logged into your Canva account. If you don't have one, I'm going to be leaving you guys a link down below in the description so you can start for free today. So once you're in, you want to go into your dashboard and focus into create a design. Now here into create a design, what you want to do is to type the option that says poster. There we go. Now Canva offers a wide range of poster templates to get you started. You can choose one that fits your theme and start from scratch. Let's say for example the poster double-sided portrait 18 by 24. So now let's choose and customize a template. So here what you wanted to do is to browse through the template library and select one that catches your eye. Remember the template is just starting the point. You can customize everything your suit your needs. So let's say for example here in the design, let's say that I wanted to go for a movie poster. And here I have a lot of templates that I can choose. For example, I don't know, maybe this one. So I import it, and now as you can see, I can start by adding graphics and customizing a template. So what you want to do is to browse through the template section here, select the one that catches your eye. Once again, customize the template by changing the text. You wanted to customize the fonts, the color palette, make sure it aligns with your message and your branding. So let's say that I can just delete elements that I don't want to see. You can do stuff a little bit more smaller, like this. You can change the font if you wanted to. So I'm gonna just move this like this. There we go. And you can even choose an image for an actual background. For example, let's say that I go for the woods inside elements, and I have now and this image, for example. So I move this. As you can see, I'm just designing something really easy. Position, of course, if you go into position, you can change the layers of all of them. So I'm going to choose my width and move into the back like this. Of course, I needed to detach the image from the actual background and check out how it's going to be looking now. Now I'm going to make this a little bit more smaller so I can have my design ribbon fully. There we go. It looks now great so far. So this is the part where you wanted to adding graphics and images. And images. A great poster isn't just about text. So you can add visual images to make the poster standing out. Play with the layout and composing to the creative balanced and visually appealing poster. So once you're happy with your design, it's finalizing and exporting your poster. It's time to review your post for any typos and adjust any elements as needed. When your poster looks perfect, you can click into the download button here into share. Choose the appropriate file format, typically PDF best for printing, and then choose download your poster. So choose the option that says download. Here you wanted to choose the option that says PDF print, and here just choose the page that you are okay with. And here what I want to do is to choose the option that says CMYK best for professional printing. I download this and my PDF print should be now generated automatically. And there guys, you have it. You have just created a beautiful poster using Canva. So these posters can be printed or shared digitally. Whatever you are looking for, please give us a thumbs up guys if this tutorial was helpful for you. Check out how it actually looks. It looks really awesome to design. So thank you for joining us. Happy designing. Stay tuned to TechPress for more fun and easy to follow tutorials. Hopefully guys, we can all see you next time.